And with the grammar part of this lesson, we have to learn about the joining words. Some words that we use to join two different parts of sentences or two different words or something like that. Okay. So I'll write a sentence here. Rose and Jasmine are flowers. Rose and Jasmine are flowers. Rose is red, but Jasmine is white. Okay. So Rose and Jasmine are flowers is one sentence. In that second sentence, Rose is red but Jasmine is white is the next sentence, right? So two sentences are there. Rose and Jasmine are flowers. Rose is red but Jasmine is white is the second sentence, right? So now in the first sentence, here is one word. Is it? And. Actually is connecting two sentences there. For example, we can write this as two sentences like Rose is a flower. Jasmine is a flower. Rose is a flower. Jasmine is a flower. Okay, so these are two sentences which have the same idea. Okay, what? They are talking about two different flowers, isn't it? So when we have got two sentences conveying the same idea, then we use and. Then we use and. Now we have another sentence which says Rose is red, Jasmine is white. So here they are dealing with the different ideas, isn't it? Yeah, or opposite ideas. One is one way, other is other way. Okay. So as they are dealing with the different ideas, then we use a but. Okay. So, and is used when we have to combine or join or unite two sentences of the same idea. Okay. If they have different ideas or opposite ideas, then we use a but. Right. So, in these sentences, we can say and is a joining word, but also is a joining word. Okay. So, and is a joining word, but also is a joining word. We use and when we have sentences which have got the same content or a meaning inside it. When we have got the same content or meaning inside it, then we use and. But is used when we have different or opposite ideas expressing in two sentences. Okay. So, and but are two words. And but. So these are two words which we use for the purpose of joining two sentences or two parts of sentences. Okay. So we have a sentence here, Rose is a flower, Jasmine is a flower. So both of them deal with the same content, isn't it? Because this is a sentence that says something about a flower called Rose. And this is a sentence that says something about a flower called Jasmine. Isn't it? So they are basically the same content. Isn't it? So, and is used because the only difference is in the name of the flowers. So what do? We used and in between the names. Instead of all these, we used and. Isn't it? Rose and Jasmine. Two flowers are there, no? Yes, so that is why we used are here, are flowers. This is removed, S is added. Okay. Because we are talking about two different kinds of flowers. That's it. In the second sentence, the problem is they are about rose and jasmine, but colors are different. Colors are different. And that is why we used rose is red, but jasmine is white. They are different. So, and but are two words that we use for the purpose of joining together. And but are two words that we use for joining together either sentences or parts of sentence or whatever it is. Clear? Now, and is used when we have to unite two sentences or two parts of sentences with the same content. And but is used when we have to unite sentences of opposite content. Right? Now, we will do the exercise related to this. Okay? So, we have learned about the usage of and but, isn't it? And now, we have got an exercise over here. Fill the blanks using and or but. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sentences are given there. In these sentences, there is a gap each also. There is a blank. Some word is missing there. And what we need is, we need to fill these blanks either using and or using but. Okay? So, whichever is suitable there, we need to use that word to complete these blanks. Okay? So, we have learned about how and but are used, isn't it? Okay. So, apples are sweet, the grapes are sour. Apples are sweet, grapes are sour. So, it's actually dealing with the two opposite ideas, isn't it? Two different concepts. Here they are saying one, and here it's a different thing. So, when we have to combine two opposite concepts, what should we use? We use a but, isn't it? So, what should we write here? But. Yes. The apples are sweet, but the grapes are sour. Right? Second one. Elephant is big, the mouse is small. Again, opposite, isn't it? Yeah, the opposite sizes are mentioned here. So, elephant is big, the mouse is small. So, as they are dealing with the opposite concepts again, what should we use? We use a but again. Right? So, the sentence is, the elephant is big, but the mouse is small. The elephant is big, but the mouse is small. Now, Pooja dash Tanya are in the playground. So, Pooja is in the playground, Tanya is also in the playground, isn't it? So, they are dealing with the same concepts, isn't it? Both the girls, Pooja, Tanya, both are in the playground. So, it is a sentence that it deals with the same concept. So, what should we use? If it is an opposite concept, we use but. If it is the same concept, we use a and, isn't it? So, what should we write here? And. Pooja and Tanya are in the playground. Got it? Yes. Now, the fourth one. Roses dash tulips are beautiful. Again, same concept, isn't it? Roses are beautiful. Tulips are beautiful. These two are combined together to make a single sentence because they are of the same concept. Then what should we use here? And, isn't it? So, A-N-D, and, which makes roses and tulips are beautiful. What is the sentence? Roses and tulips are beautiful. Right? Now, 5. Delhi dash Mumbai are big cities. So, again, same concept. Delhi is a big city. Mumbai is a big city. These two sentences are combined and they are dealing with the same concept. So, we use a and here. Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. Right? So, I will read these sentences once again. The apples are sweet, but the grapes are sour. The elephant is big, but the mouse is small. Pooja and Tanya are in the playground. Roses and tulips are beautiful. Delhi and Mumbai are big cities. Okay. So we use the but in the first two sentences because they are dealing with the two opposite concepts. In the remaining 3, 4 and 5, they were dealing with the same concepts, and that is why we have used it and in between. Okay. So now, I will keep this screen the same for a minute so that you can read these sentences once again, right?